Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you to the process of activating two-factor authentication on your Ubisoft Connect account. So, this added security measure is crucial for protecting your account for unauthorized access. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first open the Ubisoft Connect app and navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Alright, once you're in the settings menu, tap on account management. You will be redirected to your default browser, opening Ubisoft account management page. On the Ubisoft account management page, look for security section and tap on it. In the security section, you will find an option for two-step verification. Tap on it to start the activation process. Alright, now choose the email address associated with your Ubisoft Connect account. Ubisoft will send a verification code to this email. After that, check your email for the verification code. Then enter it into the provided field on the Ubisoft website. Alright, once you have entered the correct code, your two-step verification will be activated. You will see a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication or two-step verification is now enabled on your account. So, to ensure everything is set up correctly, log out and then log back into your Ubisoft Connect account. You should be prompted to enter a code sent to your email, confirming that two-step verification is working. Alright, congratulations! Your Ubisoft Connect account is now secured with two-factor authentication. Alright, this simple step adds an extra layer for protection to keep your gaming experience is safe. Good luck and happy gaming!